Well, welcome, router enthusiasts. Today I'm going to show you my brag book. We had our first lessons over Zoom, and my student or my person of interest to learn more about the router had created all over Zoom. We developed a technique for creating the quarter-inch spacer fence. And so I'm just going to show you some of the results of building a quarter-inch spacer fence and doing the woodworking over Zoom. I didn't do much. I just sort of guided and showed some videos of the router workshop doing the woodworking. And so anyways, let's look at my brag book. This is the first box joint. There we are. We made some trivets first. Get the feel of the jig itself. Now she created this jig first, and this is her second box using box joints. Then when we proved, there's more of the parts of that second box as it was used, and there's the first box using a rabbit dado joint. You can't see the dado joint because I don't have it right on the right side, but and we're back to my first lessons on Zoom. Anyways, I just thought I'd show everyone what we're doing on Zoom. We'd like to do more jigs with more people, but anyways, we'll get the lessons learned on this first Zoom one, and I'll keep you posted on what I'll be doing for future lessons. Anyways, that's a wrap for today.